Right then, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. What we're going to cover this week is a recipe from an absolutely fantastic new cookbook, which is the Airfryer Cookbook. Finally, something's come out which has got UK metrics. Been trying to get hold of a book for a long time, and this is really good by Clare Andrews. A Middle Eastern style stuffed aubergines, which has got a lovely infused yogurt, which you can use saffron or you can use turmeric, and then with a nice little sprinkling of pomegranate seeds on top. Super vibrant, super healthy. This book is really good. It's got lots of different types of recipes for people who are vegetarians, vegans, free from. What I like about this is there are lots of photos. The metrics are UK and it's really simple, really visual, and it also includes the times for your air fryer. Now I got a Ninja Grill XL air fryer and my wife and I absolutely love it. We've been using it for about 3 years now. I do actually cover recipes, so please check out my air fryer recipes where I've been converting from other cookbooks as well. The core key ingredients you need for this, of course, your aubergine, a courgette, a red onion, a red chilli, or you can use a red pepper, some coriander, some rose harissa, or you can just use harissa, and your pomegranate seeds. And then as optional, as a garnish, you can use some plant-based yogurt and infuse that with some turmeric. So let's get going. And here we have it. The Middle Eastern stuffed aubergines, aka eggplant. This is amazing. Really can't wait for my wife to try this. I'm not going to do a tasting session, but so really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Please also turn on your notifications. Bing! Every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Also check out my playlist for other vegan and whole food plant-based recipes. Really loved these stuffed vegetable type dishes, which are great for starters, and it smells absolutely amazing. I really can't wait to try. So take care everyone, enjoy.